Imagine a place like this. Mile after mile of gray dust, cracked, and silent death. No trees, no birdsong. It feels like nature gave up here long ago. But unbelievably, within just 10 years, this dead land transforms into a green, thriving world. No modern technology, no direct human intervention. This change was driven by just one animal. But how? To find that answer, we need to go back a few centuries. When a powerful animal ruled the vast plains of North America, the bison. At one time, there were tens of millions of bison. They weren't just animals, they were the foundation of the entire ecosystem. The lives, food, and clothing of Native Americans, everything depended on them. To them, the bison was a symbol of survival. But then, things changed. In the 1800s, as modern America began to expand, removing Native American tribes from their land became a major objective. And at that moment, a brutal decision was made. To weaken them, their primary source of survival, the bison, had to be destroyed. What followed was one of the darkest chapters in history. From train windows, driven by greed for hides and meat, millions of innocent bison were slaughtered. In just 25 years, their population dropped from tens of millions to only a few hundred. The impact of this mass killing didn't stop with the animals. Slowly, the entire ecosystem began to collapse. Because in nature, every element is invisibly connected. With the disappearance of bison, the natural structure of the soil was destroyed. Without their heavy footsteps, the soil became hard like stone. Rainwater could no longer penetrate the ground. Grass dried up, plant growth stopped. And eventually, the once green plains turned into barren land. Animals began to disappear one by one. Because the environment they depended on no longer existed. This is how the absence of a single species gradually destroyed an entire world. But the story doesn't end here. In 2009, a group of scientists made a bold decision. They decided to restore nature's broken balance. In a dry region of Mexico, they released just 23 bison. No extra care, no artificial support. Many people dismissed it as madness. But nature works in its own way. Slowly, an incredible transformation began. As the bison moved across the land, their heavy bodies broke the hardened soil, acting like a natural plow. As they grazed, seeds stuck to their bodies spread across new areas. And their dung enriched the soil with essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. Unknowingly, they became engineers of nature. The results came surprisingly fast. Where nothing once grew, new grass began to appear. With grass came small animals. Prairie dogs returned, digging tunnels underground, allowing air to circulate within the soil. Then gradually came birds, predators. And slowly, life returned to that dead land. This entire process proves an important truth. In nature, there are species known as keystone species. They are central pillars, holding the entire ecosystem together. Remove them, and the whole structure collapses. Bring them back, and nature begins to heal itself. Today, that once dead land has transformed into a vibrant, green landscape. This story isn't just about one animal. It's about nature's incredible balance and rebirth. And it leaves us with a powerful question. Do humans really control nature? Or are we simply dependent on it? What do you think? Are humans fixing nature, or slowly destroying it? Share your thoughts in the comments. And for more unknown and fascinating stories, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.